Let's go, right?
This is this is Satan's toe. It is 9 million Scoville.
You ready?
Yep, ready?
Okay.
The challenge is 5 minutes. I wouldn't chew it. I wouldn't recommend you chew it. If you need to spit it out, go ahead. Did you swallow it? I did it for 5 minutes. Let's see if you guys can do it.
Thought.
Oh yeah, it's hotter than hell. Caden swallowed it. That's gonna come out. Yeah, that's gonna be rectum fire. You weren't supposed to swallow it. That's gonna come out the other end, son.
Why did you swallow? It was only for 5 minutes.
How long's it been?
2.
2 minutes. There you go.
More than 5 minutes.
Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
Are you swallowing the juices?
Mm-hmm. Hey.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm starting to sweat. I tell you, I was pouring. Here goes some drool. Is that 3 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Look at your mom. Like a brick. I can't believe you swallowed it. You know what that's going to do to your insides there, son? Alright, coming up, 15 seconds. Actually, it's only been 2 minutes and 30 seconds according to your phone since I've been recording. So you still got 3 minutes. 2.5. Mom's face is red. Caden, you look like you're dying.
Oh, yeah.
Tell everybody how you feel. Is it Satan's toe or did you just...
Slick Satan's nuts.
Want some more?
No. Oh,
It hurts on the back.
yeah.
2 minutes. Are you okay? You're okay. You're like, this ain't nothing. Want some more?
Is my mouth supposed to be tingling?
I just swallowed it accidentally. Yeah, I'll take some more.
Are you trying to kill yourself?
Oh,
There
hit
you
my
go.
stomach.
If you want the more, you can.
Time.
Just
What's the time?
3 minutes, 30 seconds.
My tongue's tingling.
Yeah, the roof of my mouth swelled. It was swollen this morning. See? You got 3 minutes, 44 seconds. Want some more, Caden? Is that the hottest thing you ever had?
Oh, yeah.
What about you, honey?
Yeah, I'm not gonna have more. I'm afraid that my tongue's already blistering.
Yeah.
You're drooling, dude. Ew. You didn't drool on my... You drilled somewhere.
Oh, my whole tongue's tingling.
Here, you drilled in the... 45 seconds left. I tell you what, I had to go... After 5 minutes of holding the big piece in my mouth, I had to go get candy. I had to go get a Twix bar and suck on that thing because it was burning. Hmm. 15 seconds. 10. Well, starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. Mom's drinking milk. Oh my gosh.